Today we are going to learn what is a clause, a group of words that includes a subject and a verb and forms a sentence or part of a sentence is called a clause. For example, I will call you when I reach home. In this sentence, I will call you is independent clause or principal clause, and when I reach home is dependent clause and subordinate clause because it is not giving complete sense. Types of clauses: main or independent clause and subordinate or dependent clause. Noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause are the types of subordinate or dependent clause. What is independent clause? An independent clause, also known as a main clause. This type of clause can stand alone as a complete sentence because it expresses a complete thought. For example, I will call you when I reach home. In this sentence, I will call you is independent clause. What is dependent clause? This type of clause relies on an independent clause to form a complete sentence. It cannot stand alone because it does not express a complete thought. For example, I will call you when I reach home. In this sentence, when I reach home is dependent clause. Here are some examples of independent and dependent clause. For example, Asif plays hockey as he enjoys it. In this sentence, Asif plays hockey is independent clause and as he enjoys it is dependent clause. Other examples of independent clause are Shazia could not catch the bus, Ali could not finish the mathematics test, Arifa quickly ate her lunch, Haris is back from work, you must work hard. And the examples of dependent clause are because she was late, although he knew all the sums, as she was very hungry, so he must take rest if you want to succeed in life. What is a noun clause? A noun clause is a type of subordinate clause that functions as a noun within a sentence. It can act as a subject, object, or complement and performs the same grammatical functions as a regular noun. For example, they are wondering where the party will be held. Where the party will be held is noun clause as the object of the verb wandering. What is an adjective clause? An adjective clause is a type of dependent clause that functions as an adjective to modify a noun or pronoun. It provides additional information about the noun or pronoun it modifies. For example, I know the man who came here yesterday. In this sentence, who came here yesterday is an adjective clause qualifying the noun man of principal clause. What is an adverb clause? An adverb clause is a dependent clause that functions as an adverb in a sentence. It provides additional information about the verb, adjective, or adverb in the main clause, indicating aspects such as time, place, reason, condition, purpose, or manner. For example, he passed because he worked hard. In this sentence, because he worked hard is an adverb clause, modifies the word past adverb of reason.